on, guys? So Eric Ellis here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and step behind the laptop. Boom, we're behind the laptop. Now, what I'm going to be doing is teach you guys how to actually make $500 per day with this small little setup, right? Now, first and foremost, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be leveraging something called affiliates marketing, right? Now, affiliate marketing is something very simple. It's basically when you don't own the product, somebody else owns the product, but they'll allow you to promote their product that they created. So they created the product, they created the sales process, they handle the customer service, they handle the fulfillment, they literally do all the work. All you have to do is find a buyer, and once you find a buyer and the transaction is made, you get paid a commission. So you're basically getting paid for referrals. So we're a professional middleman, right? Now, what we're going to be doing is you're probably asking, okay, how can I make $500 per day fast, right? That's what I said, and I want to go ahead and live up to what I said in that title. Now, first and foremost, right? These affiliate products, the type of affiliate products that we're going to be promoting is courses, right? Now, there's different types of affiliate marketing products out there, but courses start at $9.97, right? The average course starts at $9.97, and if you were to get paid a 50% commission on a $9.97 product, that is how much money? $500. We're just going to go to round it up, right? Now, the question is, what type of courses? Where do you find these things? So on and so forth, right? Now, basically, what we're going to do is this is what the actual process looks like, and this is how we're going to go ahead and get paid, right? Now, the first step is we're going to need an offer, right? And the offer is the actual $1,000 course. Somebody else created the course. Usually these courses are in the make money online niche, so people who want to learn how to make money online. And then what we're going to do is, now that somebody wants to make money online, we need to find that buyer, and then we need to go ahead and send them through a sales process, get them sold. Once they buy, we get paid a commission. So this is what it looks like. So here's Bill right here, right? He's interested in making money online. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and send him to our affiliate link, right? So I'm going to put AL for affiliate link right here. This affiliate link is basically a registration page, so he can take a look at our webinar, right? So, or at the affiliate program's webinar, right? So once he registers, basically whether he's going to register for a specific time, whether it's 12 p.m., 3 p.m., whatever that looks like. And then what's going to happen is, first and foremost, what is a webinar, right? Because that might be jargon within itself. So have you ever heard of a seminar? Like a seminar, you go to a seminar like Tony Robbins or some sort of event, or basically an event that you go to at this place, and this place they teach you something valuable, right? That's basically what a webinar is, but a webinar is an online seminar. That's why it's called a webinar, right? It's basically a web class, an online training. They last about 60 minutes, and then after the 60 minutes, there's about another 30 minutes where people are basically making a product recommendation. So let me explain how this works, right? Basically, the first 60 minutes is going to be straight pure value. They're going to be teaching the person that you got to this page, they're going to be teaching them something value. Now, after they teach them something value, they're basically going to let them know, look, this is 60 minutes. Obviously, I can't teach you that much in 60 minutes. If you want to go further, boom, then they're going to go to recommend the course. If you want hours upon hours of value, check this out. And then they're going to go and pitch a course for about $9.97. Now, here's the thing. The thing is that these people who create these programs, right, the way that they get people to these programs is they use paid traffic. And what I mean by paid traffic, they use things like Facebook ads, blah, 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 Google ads, whatever that looks like, to get people to this registration page. So the money that they would end up spending to get people to this page, they'd also be willing to literally just pay you an affiliate commission, because everything is pure profit. If you bring somebody to this webinar and they didn't have to do paid traffic and you get a sell, they're going to be willing to pay you 50% commissions, right? So with that being said, at the end of the webinar, once they make the product recommendation, after a sell is made, you get paid a 50% commission, thus your $500. Now, how do we get paid? How do we get people to this webinar, right? The easiest way, and this isn't the fast way, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get started, is what I do, right? In the Make Money Online niche, what you can start doing is you can start publishing content around making money online. So if you guys look, back in the day, my average view count is 1,000, 3,000, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000. So every so often I get a YouTube video that does fairly well. For example, this one did 6,000, this one did 9,000 views, 7,000 views, so on and so forth, right? So this is called evergreen content. If we look, I also have one right here, 32,000 views. So this is called evergreen content. What evergreen content is? Content that you create, let's just say 6 months ago, and it's continuously, like, people are finding your content. And the way you're gonna do that is literally create content around the problem that people are trying to solve, or that this product's going to solve, right? So if this is a Make Money Online course, what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish content around making money online, and then when people search how to make money online, they're going to find my videos. And kind of similar to what they're doing to the actual, in the webinar, I'm going to provide value, and then at the end of my video, I'm going to say, if you want more information, I'm going to go ahead and give a call to action for them to actually take action on what it is that I'm recommending. And then that person is going to be warm. They're obviously interested in making money online, so when they register, they go to the webinar, it's going to be more likely for them to purchase. Now, how do you make money fast? The way you make money fast is, at the end of the day, I can publish all the content I want, but I'm not in control. YouTube is in control. The way you're in control is with paid traffic. So the way you can start doing paid traffic is you can get your first sale. Once you get your first sale, your first $500 commission, then you can go ahead and invest into something like Facebook ads. And what we're going to do, this is what a Facebook ad looks like. You're going to ask somebody, do you want to make money online, right? And then there's going to be a call to action button at the bottom of the Facebook ad. Now, obviously, you have to go ahead and get in front of the right people. So there's different targeting. You could target people who are interested in entrepreneurship. You could target people who are interested in making money online, affiliate marketing, network marketing, specific entrepreneurship influencers, so on and so forth. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get these ads in front of people who are interested in making money online. And then once we get in front of them, they're going to go ahead and click this button, and they're going to go ahead and actually go to the webinar registration page. They're going to go to register for the webinar. For the people who actually buy on the back end, the $977 product, let's just say